Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that's a Factory 5 Cobra. That baby has got a Gen 3 Coyote under the hood, a Tremec 5-speed in it, and it is absolutely gorgeous, man. The paint work on it is near flawless. You can't even barely feel those stripes. I tell you, they buried them babies in the clear, and that blue is just popping. You can see all the reflections in the paint, looking amazing. Of course, all the bright work on the car is looking absolutely gorgeous. Now, we're going to get this car up on the lift, and we're going to show you the workmanship on the bottom side. Of course, we're going to pop the hood, take a look at that Gen 3 Coyote. This thing is absolutely a rocket ship. You look down the side of it, straight as an arrow. It's got the GT40 style wheels. Now those knockoffs come off and they're like a little mini hubcap there that reveals the lug nuts. We got stainless steel side pipes on it, all polished up, looking good. Just everything about this thing. Then it's got the dual roll bars. Now I know what you guys are thinking. A lot of times there's just the one, but I tell you what, your passenger's gonna appreciate that other one if you get this thing greasy side up. Now you see it's got the wood steering wheel, it's got all the gauges you need there, your 5-speed shifter, actually it's got 5-point harness in it. Now you can wear this harness any way you want. You can either just wear the lap belt, you can add the shoulder belts, and add the crotch belt too. So any way you want to hook it up, you can hook it up that way. I tell you, the paint is just absolutely beautiful. This deep blue paint looking sweet. It's gorgeous. Now we got the fuel fill just like they used to run back in the day. They put that big old tank of gas in there so they could get back out on the racetrack. She's absolutely slick. I mean, it is just soft as a blanket, man. She's gorgeous. Now guys, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So you can call him anytime at 248-974-9513. We're going to be able to answer all your questions because we're going to get this baby up on the lift and inspect the whole car. All right, it's a little nasty outside today, so we're not going to drive this one, but rest assured, if it doesn't sell by the time it gets nice out, we will drive this baby. I have driven this car. We drove it last week when it came in. It's a rocket ship with that Coyote motor up front, and we can deliver this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513, and Tom will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now I'm about 6 foot tall, and I weigh right around 235 to 215 depending on how I'm dieting. You can see I've got plenty of room here. I got plenty of room with my legs. It's got the extended foot box here. I mean, I got my foot down on the clutch. You see my leg is completely extended here. You can see all the gauges look nice. They did a beautiful job on the dash. It's got the wood steering wheel, of course the 5-speed shifter here, the 4-point harnesses. Oh, actually it's got 5-point harness. Now we've got the tuner for the motor here that comes with the car, and we got some extra paint here too. So hopefully you don't need that. You don't want to scratch this beauty up. Now, we are very close to the airport here in Detroit, so if you'd like to come in and visit us, we'd love to have you come in. If you want to send an inspector, no problem with that either. Send your inspector out, just give us a call, let us know he's coming. Tom will do anything you need. You want extra pictures of the car, just call Tom, we'll get them for you. So let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway. We're going to put it up in the air for you right now and show you just how nice the bottom side is. All right, we're underneath this baby. Man, she's clean under here. Look at this, looks brand new. 8.8 rear end, 355 gear. It is posi. You can see all the suspension parts are looking sweet, looking brand new. Everything's fully adjustable, side to side, the pinion angle. Look at this, Factory 5 right there in the aluminum. Isn't that sweet? You can see that the frame on these is killer, man. I just love these things. I tell you what, you can put a floor jack underneath this thing anywhere and it goes right straight up. This frame ain't going nowhere. We got a TKO 600, that's a 5-speed transmission. It does have a cable clutch. It's got a big Moroso pan on it. That Gen 3 Coyote up there making all that power and howling going down the road. We've got disc brakes up front, of course, tubular lower control arms. Upper control arms are fully adjustable, so you can set them up any way you want. Everything under here is just looking sweet. You can see the nose is looking good here. All the paint work looks great. Just everything about this car just looks brand new and sweet as can be. Tires look like they're practically brand new. And again, I was telling you these knockoffs here. Now this little center here spins off, and it does have a set screw in it. So make sure you take that set screw out before you try to spin that off, because you'll booger up the threads. And then your lug nuts are right underneath here. So they do look just like the GT40 wheels. 255/35 18s, and look at those stainless pipes there, those headers coming out the side, looking sweet. As you work your way down towards the back, right there's where the music's coming out. That's where that Coyote's going to be playing his music. And let's see if I can find, here it is. These are 315/30 18s out back. Same thing goes with these. There is a set screw. I can feel the hole right up there. So like I said, make sure you take that set screw out. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, this baby is sweet, guys. Now I had a Mustang GT. It had one of these Coyotes in it, the Gen 3s, and man, you want to talk about fast. And don't forget, that Mustang weighed about 4,000 and some odd pounds. This car weighs about 2,700 pounds. So this thing is just going to be grease lightning, man. These things make 460 horse, and they are badass. I absolutely love this motor. You can see everything is nice and neat under here. It does look like we got power steering to that power rack down there. Everything is clean as a whistle. All the wiring looks sweet. All the piping looks good. We got our cold air there. Just, I mean, the top side of the motor looks brand new. I mean, just everything about this is absolutely gorgeous. Paint work on the bottom side of the hood looks just as good as the paint work on the top. I mean, this is one sweet machine, guys. She's a Cobra. She's got a Coyote in her. She looks brand new, so give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.